If we look at a situation here where someone's got about $47,000 worth of debt and we weighed out their debt and the interest rate on there, I think the APR on all of that debt somewhere in the 22% range. So if we look at prime in 6.75 and maybe we tack on
2, 3,
2, I would say 2 is probably a normal number to
like
budget
9?
in there. So yeah, somewhere in the 9 range. That's certainly, let me ask you a question. Is 9 less than 22?
Yes.
All right. So 9's less than 22. So it might make sense to do that, right? Also, we look at these repayments on minimum payment streams on credit cards. The ones that we got pulled up here, 400 months to pay off $18,000 a credit card at 18%, which is probably really
400 months, a long time.
Does it make sense, right? So we look at, can I keep my first mortgage at that 3% rate? You can. Now, if we blend this, right, and we look at, I have this much money owed at 3, this much money owed at 9 or 10. What is my actual interest rate? And it's very close to 6 in this scenario that we got pulled up here. If you don't think that you can be disciplined, or you've struggled with discipline in the past, there is a situation where we can just consolidate this all into a 30-year fixed mortgage, a 25, a 20, a 15.
It gives you a nice fresh restart.